This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable JavaScript in the palemoon web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the palemoon browser opened up now. To enable or disable JavaScript, the first thing you want to do is go up to the address bar at the very top. I'm going to put my mouse cursor in there. I'm going to hit the back arrow to erase whatever's there, and I'm going to type about:config. About:config. I'm going to hit enter. A warning screen will pop up saying there may be dragons. Go ahead and hit I promise to be careful. And then in the search bar right up here, you want to type in javascript.enabled. I'm going to hit enter. The very top thing here, javascript.enabled. If you look off to the right here, you can see the value is set for true. By default, JavaScript is automatically on. To turn it off, all you need to do is double left click on this line. Now you can see the value has been set to false. JavaScript has been turned off. And to turn it back on, you just repeat the steps and just double left click on the line to set it to true. Now JavaScript is back on. That is how to enable or disable JavaScript in the palemoon web browser. Thanks for watching.